This could be a big problem. The good thing is that if you have the right tools and knowledge, you can go through this. Let me show you in this video how to get it solved. First things you need just to go to your auto parts store. Just get this little 4-way tools. It's pretty much got everything included. Let's go ahead and remove the old valve core. Use your little tools and turn it counterclockwise. This is the broken valve core. This is pretty much a small metal piece that's right inside of your tire's valve stem. Alright, let's go ahead and put the new one. This time turn it clockwise. You don't have to over tighten. Moving on, let's go ahead and put some air in this tire. So this one takes 35 psi. Check your honest manual because every car is different. Let me go ahead and use this little tool to double check to make sure that we have the right pressure. If you found this video useful and are looking for more content like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.